Let's get to the point, your monthly market report from Sierra Nevada Realtors. I'm Sarah Sharkey, your co-president of the Sierra Nevada Realtors. These numbers are as of June 9, 2023. Before we take a look at May's Northern Nevada real estate market, we want to say thank you to our silver partner Cardinal Financial for this month's episode. And now let's get to the point. Carson saw another increase this month of new listings entering the market with 64 new listings. Closings decreased from the previous month with 42. The median sales price for Carson stayed the same, ending at $477,000. Total month supply of inventory increased, ending at 2 months supply. Churchill County saw an increase in new listings with 19 new properties entering the market. Churchill also saw an increase in closings, ending the month of May with 31. The median sales price in Churchill increased 6.5%, ending at $359,990. With the increase in new listings and closings, the month supply of inventory dropped to less than 1 month. In May, Douglas saw an increase of 3.4% in new listings, with 90 properties entering the market. 63 properties sold in May, down 9.5% from April. The median sales price for Douglas fell 4.9% to $535,000. Douglas saw an increase of 14.9% of month supply of inventory, bringing inventory to just over 2 months. And now let's hear from our bowtie economist, Elliot Eisenberg. Elliot, is it time to take off our rose-colored glasses regarding interest rates?
That's a great question. And while market participants still expect interest rates to decline, it may take a little bit longer for it to happen. Here's why. First, there was hope that the Fed would make a U-turn and start cutting rates as early as Q3 of this year. That's not going to happen. The economy's too strong. Second, both the central bank in Canada and Australia surprisingly raised rates a quarter point recently. Those hikes are going to give the Fed cover to raise rates, be it in June or July. Third, now that the debt ceiling fiasco fight is over, the Treasury is going to issue $1.2 trillion of bonds. That's going to increase the supply and therefore increase interest rates a little bit. And last but not least, now that banks aren't failing on a regular basis like they were in March and April, the central bank's going to continue reducing the size of its balance sheet, and that's also going to raise rates a little bit. I hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing you next month.
Thanks, Elliot, for your insight on those interest rate changes that we should be expecting. If you want to hear more from Elliot, sign up for his blog at econ70.com. And moving on to Washoe County, excluding the area of Incline Village, we had 532 new listings and 408 closed sales in May. The median sales price in Washoe increased 2.7% to $554,475. The month's supply of inventory landed at 1.6. We have exciting news for you. In order to provide a more accurate picture of Lyon County, our numbers now will include single-family stick-built homes and manufactured homes. Lyon County had 139 new listings and 117 properties closed for the month of May. The median sales price in Lyon County increased to 4.3%, ending at $365,000. The month's supply of inventory now sits at 1.8 for Lyon County. That wraps up this episode of To the Point. Don't forget to check out our bi-monthly Did You Know video series for the updates on what is happening with Sierra Nevada Realtors. We will see you next month for the latest To the Point.